Ready to unlock financial freedom and chase those dreams? Let's talk about building a powerful secondary income stream. In today's world, relying on a single income source feels like sailing with only one oar, but what if you could add another stream, boosting your earning potential and securing your future? Step 1. Identify your existing assets. Think about your skills, your interests, and even your unused time. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? What can you do during your commute or evenings? Step 2. Explore the possibilities. The digital age has opened up a universe of options. Consider freelancing on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, where you can offer writing, graphic design, virtual assistants, or even programming services. Perhaps you have a knack for teaching, online tutoring, creating educational courses on platforms like Udemy, or even offering music lessons via video calls can be incredibly rewarding and profitable. Step 3. Monetize your passions. Do you love creating art, jewelry, or baked goods? Etsy and other online marketplaces allow you to sell your handmade items to a global audience. Even renting out a spare room or your car can generate passive income. Step 4. Be strategic and consistent. Start small, dedicate specific hours, and reinvest some of your earnings to grow. Building a secondary income takes effort, but the rewards, financial independence, and the ability to pursue your goals are immense.